بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Dear brothers, sisters and beloved students, this is a short speech on respect. Respect is one of the most important values in our lives. It begins with respecting Allah, His words and His guidance. Respect is shown through our behavior, our speech, and our actions. We show respect by listening carefully, speaking kindly, and treating others with dignity. When we respect what is sacred and respect one another, we build strong hearts and strong communities. Let us make respect a habit in our homes, in our schools, and in our daily lives. Respect brings peace, builds trust, and earns the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakum Allahu khairah.